between the messenger, isithunywa, and water bodies. Warning, masiye emanzini. Water is a portal, it is life, but it is also a force. We lose too many people to the waters. Asihlonipheni amanzi, abantu abaningi bayashona, abantu abaningi bahamba ngamanzi, abantu abaningi umuntu athi ayolungisa izinto angabuyi, noma ugobela ahamba nawo bese yena uhamba namanzi uzwe bathi ugobela uhambe ngamathwala. This is caused by various reasons, including lack of knowledge and carelessness, because of lack of preparation or lack of respect. Today we bridge that gap. Safety is not a sign of weak faith, it is a sign of high spiritual discipline. You can't go emanzini kunezikhukhula, like really, ezinye izinto kumele sisebenziseni ne-common sense, because imvula mayinethe kakhulu amanzi ayagcwala and then bese uyaya laphaya and then bese amanzi ayakuthatha or izinto nje ezingasi-right. So ezinye izinto kumele sizigweme. You can't go emanzini ungaboniswanga noma uhamba nomuntu obonayo ongokomoya, umuntu ozokhona ukufunda isimo sasemanzini. You can't go emanzini ungcolile, like being on your periods, or bowunomuntu wakho